Are you experiencing strain when you sing and you're not sure how to fix it? Maybe it happens when you sing higher, or maybe it's just happening pretty often when you sing in general. Either way, you've come to the right place, as I will show you what causes strain when you sing and teach you what to do instead so that you can sing with ease and freedom. Hi, I'm Vanessa E, vocal coach and singer-songwriter with You Can Sing Too. And I believe great singers are not born, they're made. So my goal is to uncomplicate great vocal technique and teach you simple yet effective tools that really get results so that you can sing with more confidence, freedom, ease, power, and range. And so to help you with this, I also have a free singing goodie that you're going to want to get because it's going to help you to sing better. So make sure to stay tuned to learn about that. All right, so what is strain when it comes to singing? Well, vocal strain can be defined as force, pressing, pulling, tightening on the muscles that are involved in singing. It can also come from overuse or misuse of the voice and can put our vocal folds or our vocal cords, same thing, under stress. So I'm going to share with you the main culprits of strain that I see when working with singers and give you really effective tools that are going to combat the strain and help you, like I said, to sing with ease and freedom. So let's go to number one, and that is to avoid forcing your chest voice up too high. And what this means is that you try to get to that high note, or you try to sing higher by using force, getting your volume louder. You try to do that from the stronger part of your voice. While it may work a few times for you, it's not the way to approach singing higher, as it raises your larynx and it causes tightening and pulling. So what you want to do instead is learn to mix in head voice, this is called mixed voice, while maintaining some connection to chest voice, okay? So I'm going to give you a great tool that's really going to help you if this is something you experience. And it's going to add in head voice and help you to keep the larynx in a lower position. So you're going to say, and then we'll sing the word woof, but we're going to do it exaggerated, like a Saint Bernard type of sound. So we're going to do woof, 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 where it's exaggerated. Lips are forward. We're really giving it the ooh, woof, 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 woof. Okay? So next, you want to practice taking out the words in the part of the song that you tend to feel this strain and start moving up. Woof, 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 woof. So it's an exaggerated exercise. What it's going to do, like I said, is get everything relaxed. So then, once you feel that, you can sing it more in a natural way. Woof, 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 woof versus the woof. But start there because it really, really helps. Okay, number two is to avoid too much airflow. So too much airiness or breathiness on your notes puts extra strain on your vocal cords. While this can be a really cool effect to add in places, in general, it's hard on the vocal cords and it causes strain and fatigue, and it's also the nemesis to vocal power. So what you want to do instead is balance your air flow by practicing not leaking air before you sing the note. Do, do versus do, do, oh. The air is coming before the note. Do, do, do. So if you add a consonant, take those words out again. If you tend to do that, make sure you're using a comfortable volume, and you're going to make sure that you don't have that extra airiness in there. All right, so I kind of gave away number three, which is to avoid too much volume. Singing too loud also puts extra pressure on your vocal cords and can cause strain and fatigue. So you want a medium volume overall, and you can adjust from there for dynamics. Some songs may call for, certain parts to be softer, that's okay, and louder on certain notes. But overall, use that medium, comfortable volume. And if you follow the tips I'm showing you in this video, when you do sing louder, you'll be able to avoid strain. Number four, avoid jaw tension. When you don't open your jaw enough, that causes tension and strain. When you open your jaw too much, that causes tension as well. So let me show you how to find the right balance. You want to open up to where it's comfortable and not force. So a good thing to do is just take your two fingers here, and then you can feel in between your teeth when you say to where it's comfortable, not force. And that's how you avoid jaw tension and keep it open. All right, last but not least, number 5, super important, is to avoid vowel tension. So when we sing with our vowels too wide, a, or too tight, a, and they're not open enough, this also causes strain. So we want to make sure, like I showed you, that you keep that jaw, that in there, and we want to sing our vowels overall in a neutral position. We can style from there, but it's important to know how to sing them in a neutral position. So you want to stay tuned for my next video, because I'm going to really go deeper into this and how to really make those vowels work for you, especially as you sing higher. Okay, so when you avoid the things that I mentioned and do what I showed you, you will be singing without strain and with ease and freedom. As promised, to help you with this, I have a free vocal exercise for you that's going to help you put this all together to help you sing better, from low to high and back again without strain. So just click the link in the description to get that. And please make sure to like this video and hit that subscribe button, as I'm passionate to help as many singers like you sing their best. And let me know in the comments how this video helps you to sing without strain and sing with more freedom and ease. You totally got this. I'll see you next time. Happy singing.